Near Tosubio spiritually in the spiritual realm. Say NDC beti mi nya kunyanwa a chance some na Jane Opoku Achiman I resign. And I say my man resign. No more reason so I also NDC for sheno etua ne ka senie o waban mu. No mo bonabaso no di nyansa bi owo o wade bi also di boa Ghana on fe mo Ghana no resign no mo fa bema because ono be sia on to me and Sunday as president. On to me hold the flag bearership. Nobody will vote for her. Nobody will vote for her to be a president in Ghana here. Ghana or bench me in Ghana so. See here because or baby you know. Oh try to emphasize. Oh Ghana, you don't know what God has done for Ghana and what God is saying. It's like Israel. Israel, no man can be a leader in Israel. Because why? Go and ask God. He will tell you the reason. This is what he has told me, and I'm telling you. You may not feel happy for saying this, so you can just sit at your house and say anything rubbish. But the day will come, you know whom God has spoken through. You can go on Nakasa. As we are speaking right now, the thing is run about in Kennedy, Japan. But NDC has a chance. The reason why NDC has a chance is Papa no si su si sia wo NDC mo no. Wo okuta great shield bi. Aye fe John Drummond mama no. Senior papa ni Nyankopon aso ni mo no. Na woni bibi e be so spiritual. A chen say maame resign. Maame resign. Na papa no atwisu bi. No ama NDC for na te ase. No ama ne nsa so say nipa we na me pese. Mini hwa adoma Nyankopon da nyansa Nyankopon adom no. E o Kristo Yesu diri mu no obetimi agina. Timi wes ni ye. Timi wes ni ye. Nipa so masi ana me ma ne so kire. Say we betumi agina do ye campaign for 2028. But when betumi agina a hold the flag bearership into we na monto abama. So to me sir it means a baton what the idea na ko se nipa bi nsa. The people will start no start a publishing. But they say in NDC you need to begin our spiritual realm. There are so many people, about 6 people, 6 names, and I'm going to catch them. But none of them will qualify until say John Mama and those will be. But Ben does on those 2 years and sana or 1 year, and now 3 years and sana or 1 year or more. You know, say or no any nipa or be you be too franca ama NDC. So to me, so Ntibanye say, so Ntibanye they make a MPP, new MPP will win as president. New MPP will win. Not old MPP and another party regime front. The new MPP will win. Not old MPP. Old MPP has totally failed and they will keep on failing. But the new MPP will win. Now before Mitma winner, Abanebe home. Now NDC a strong battle. Our baby will be able to win. But say see the okutano. Emma NDC no NDC is not because about 6 people no, they are all fighting spiritually. E bi na no so no mo so do mo ntimi se obi and the phone mo no so position. Mo do mo ntimi se obi. Mo do mo feel kra. Mo nim tumi ekuta Ghana konwa. Come on try. Say the Nyankopon your Ghana no. Come on try. And the so person kon kan all these parties no. There's direction. Any one of them can win. Because a bad battle, strong battle. And tokwa kese pa, yen tokwa say twawi, but so no campaign hun tokwa. On the mention. And yen tokwa say Ghana tokwa be no tokwa be in Ghana. But a battle. O more prebi bi hu. Obi ani abre prebi bi hu. Sabe pepe. Ni abre we. But system no realm no in the realm of the spirit no. This what? In fact, when the prophet speaks, it will be a them. na de be ma Nyankopon so adi nkunim ene se ama wo ne se obegina di do hwato obi bia opese wo ni 2028 no so no start konsori hehe konsori o yes I be feel obowa wo ni da opa yasoreba you feel yasoreba the night church in Ghana here on 2028 you fail. No matter even God will tell us we be winning, but the night church now he will turn it. He will just the table will turn. The table will just turn. I'm telling the mind of God. I'm telling the mind. Me nim on my penu abesi so a ma me man ka ho asem anka se we ni be wina onu we ni obi bi obi abesi so bia me baba nti me kasa sei nesi